Hi, I'm Lucy and welcome to my channel French with Lucy. Today I'm gonna teach you several ways to greet people in French. So, let's go! Okay, imagine you wanna say hi or hey to someone. In French you can say salut. Salut is the most used one, but there's also another one, coucou. But you can just keep salut. Salut is the most used. If you want to say something more formal or something that you can use in formal situations but also in informal situations, so be it at work or with friends, you can go on with the famous bonjour. Bonjour is the one that we use basically in every situation. So have a look at that.
Bonjour, bonjour.
Ah, bonjour de la batte.
In French, we don't have such a thing as good afternoon, but from 5 or 6, you don't say bonjour anymore. You just say bonsoir. Bonsoir is our good evening. Bonsoir can even be used at night, so when you meet someone at night. But we also have bonne nuit, good night. But this one is only used with friends, so in informal situations, and when you're leaving someone and you wanna wish her or him a good night. Speaking of friends, if you meet someone after a long time, you can just say, "Hey, ça fait longtemps." And if this person shows up by surprise, you can just say, "Hey, mais qui voilà?" So, okay, now you know several ways to greet people in French. Let's have a look at that. Let's sum up. And if you wanna, you can just pause the video just to repeat after me to make sure that your pronunciation is good. Let's go. Bonjour. Bonjour. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Salut. Salut. Coucou. Coucou. Eh, ça fait longtemps. Eh, ça fait longtemps. Eh, mais qui voilà. Eh, mais qui voilà. So, that's it for today. If you enjoyed watching this video, so first, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to subscribe to have more videos like that and give a thumbs up, it really helps. So, hope to see you